Okay, I'm Dalibor. Welcome to Dalibor Soul Food. Today, my wife have a wish to make the dish, and all these ingredients is on the table. She gonna say now, step by step, how and what she gonna use. I'm just standing behind the camera with my little son. I keep in my hands, and then, okay, Natasha, start, please.
Okay, today we're gonna make tagliatella with scampi and vegetables. I already put on the water for the pasta, and then we're gonna start with the sauce. I kept the shells from the shrimps to give extra flavor to the sauce. We're gonna use some onions, garlic, carrots and leek to give extra flavor to it. And then afterwards we're gonna add some bouillon and white wine and some herbs.
This is for beginning, yeah?
Yeah.
For the now, okay.
Okay, first we're gonna start with the sauce. I kept the shells from the scampi. I'm gonna put it in with some oil, and when they turn pink, I'm gonna put in the vegetables. The vegetables you can cut in bigger pieces, so it gives extra flavor to the dish. Voila, see, now everything is pink and we can add the vegetables. I put in some carrots, leek, onion and garlic. Stir everything good.
Everything is going good. My wife is professional. We are cooking every day. Yeah, she have in a restaurant. She have more experience than me. Yeah, I work also in a restaurant, but she have more experience than me in a restaurant. Huh?
Yeah, restaurant, yes.
You work 5 years?
4, 5 years.
4, 5 years in a restaurant.
Yeah.
And she cook very good also. We make the different foods. My kitchen and Natasha's kitchen is different, but in total when we put now everything on the paper, I think we can cook 300 days different dishes.
Probably yes. Or version of the dishes, yes. Okay, the vegetables are cooked. I'm gonna add now some bouillon and some white wine. I'm gonna stir a little bit. I use, since it's with scampi, I use some fish bouillon. Voila, and some white wine.
Fish bouillon.
Fish bouillon, yes.
And white wine, witte wijn.
Witte wijn.
Okay, schatje.
Voila.
And then, what is the following? What is the next?
Voila, we're gonna season it with some salt and pepper. And if you like it extra spicy, you can add a chilli pepper to it. I use it completely, it's a dried one. I use it completely and not broken, otherwise it's gonna be too spicy.
Yeah, then you put complete chili inside.
Yeah, voila. I'm gonna add it like this. You can always later put some more seasoning in it to flavor it.
For the extra taste.
Yeah, voila. So I'm gonna let this stir now on a low temperature, and in the meantime I'm gonna start with the vegetables.
Okay, top. See you later. Yeah, we are in the video.
Okay, voila. While the sauce is on the other fire to simmer a little bit, I'm gonna start with the vegetables. I've got here some onion, carrots, courgette, sweet paprika, leek, and later we're gonna add some lime zest and lime juice to it.
Yes.
So we're gonna start with the onions.
This is the garlic, yeah?
And the garlic, yes.
Oh, my son is with me, in my hands. We are just enjoying in this video. He's born 6 November. Maneke.
Yes.
Okay.
I hope he also has a microbe of
Yeah.
cooking.
He's gonna be
eating,
master chef.
At least eating all the dishes.
Yes. Okay, what is next step? You put on the
I put now with the onion and the garlic in it.
okay, with little oil.
Yeah, with a little bit of oil. And then we're gonna add the vegetables.
Carrots is coming inside here.
Carrots,
She
yeah.
cut already. What is the next? Why is the Poland?
Volume is the sweet paprika.
Ah, it's not chili, it's a sweet paprika.
That's sweet
Okay.
paprika, yeah. You can also use regular
Slatka paprika, šargarepa. Idemo. Voila.
You can
Oh,
also add other
I
vegetables.
can feel garlic here. Oh, it smells very good.
Yeah, it's a shame that you can smell it through the
Yes.
video. Well, I'm gonna stir this a little bit and then later put in the leek and the courgettes that are vegetables that don't need much
Okay.
less than the
Then-
rest.
Okay, then
Oh, now I'm gonna add the courgette and the leek. Stir everything together, good, divided.
how it smells, this is not normal. Hey, I wanna jump in this pot now.
Things are gonna burn your ass then.
Yeah. Is the pepper
Some pepper and salt, yes.
and salt? Okay.
That's how you like it.
It's up to you.
Yeah.
If you like more pepper, you can add more pepper. If you like more salt, it's up to you. Yeah.
So, if you like other seasoning in it.
Yeah. Spicy paprika, if you like, also you can add. But we can do this now because with your little baby and how you say it, and Natasha.
I'm
you got-
breastfeeding.
Yeah, you must feed them with the milk and
Too spicy is not good.
it's too spicy, it's not so good for him. Huh?
Okay, the water is boiling for the pasta, so I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of sea salt.
Yes.
And we're gonna add the pasta to it.
Tagliatelle.
Yeah, we use tagliatelle because we both like it,
Yes.
especially with shrimps.
With shrimps is really good, top. But when you use tagliatelle, then it's necessary, how you say,
A good stir everything, because otherwise everything's gonna stick together.
stick together. Yes, you must little.
Shake it a little bit like this.
This is maybe a few seconds how to do.
Yes, but actually you need to do that with every pasta. Stir in the beginning and in the process also a couple of times.
Okay, and about how many minutes we're gonna cook the pasta?
Yeah, you have to see on the package what they say and then also look in between.
And follow the
Follow the instructions.
instructions.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I'm gonna season the shrimps with also some pepper and some salt. Shake it a little bit.
You cleaned them already before the.
Yeah, I cleaned them before the shells, and also very important that you take out the intestines.
From the back side.
Yeah, from the back side. Now we're gonna bake them in some oil. Put it a little bit down. The shrimps don't need a lot of time actually to be baked.
This is going fast, huh?
It's going fast, yeah. You see them turning pink here. You can already turn those.
When it's the pink, then you turn
Yeah,
around.
then I'm turning around.
Okay.
Yes.
When you see the pink color, then you can
Yeah.
turn around. This is actually 2 minutes one side and 2 minutes
Yeah.
other side.
Yeah, like that, yes.
It's coming really very fast.
Voilà. Voila, the shrimps are ready, so I'm gonna add them to our vegetables. Doesn't matter if you put also
First the
liquid
shrimps in.
from the oil, it gives extra flavor to it.
You're gonna give you the extra taste, huh?
Extra taste.
Okay.
Everything from extra
It's
taste.
very good. It's very good, huh? To know these little things, secret.
I'm gonna let this stir on a small fire a little bit. And then I'm gonna strain the sauce.
This is very important about this sauce.
Yeah.
This is you make this with
The shells from the scampi, some onion, garlic, carrot leek, and pepper. Really important that you put a bowl underneath it, otherwise
Yes.
your gold is gonna be wasted.
yes. To say on my language, my people, because some people text me already, why you don't say nothing on Serbian language, because my wife don't understand you. Ona je koristila, znači, što kaže, onaj oklop od škampa i njega je, znači, napravila je bouillon od njega i povrća i svega i onda je samo to sve sjedinila u neki bouillon i to će posle da doda ovde u you gonna add now?
I'm gonna add the sauce.
Okay. She gonna add now. Sad će ga dodati taj sos, put inside, yeah.
I'm gonna start with a little bit and then later I can add some extra. If you want, you can also add some lime zest and lime juice to it.
Okay, it's very good. I think.
Just from one lime, just add to flavor.
And one lime also to put a. How you say on the Flemish lime?
Limoen.
Limon, okay. And is this how you say on Flemish?
Zeste.
Zeste.
Zeste. Yes.
Okay. One
Yes,
lemon
so,
and a zest from the one lemon, yeah.
Voilà, give
Okay.
some extra freshness to your dish.
Okay.
Tastes already good. I'm gonna put the fire a little bit higher. In the meantime, the pasta is also ready.
You're gonna move the pasta here, huh?
Yeah. I'm gonna move it here and add to the dish.
Okay. And my son is also. Oh, like it. You're also ready for the food. Okay, we use the tagliatelle this time.
Yes.
Tagliatelle.
Stir already a little bit, makes it a little bit easier.
Shake, shake, shake.
And then you can also see if, qua quantity of vegetables and pasta. It's
Also, if
almost
it's not good,
correct.
it's not so good if it's dry. Then you
Yeah.
must always follow this, huh?
And a little bit more pasta. And then we're gonna taste to see if we need some extra lime or not.
Or maybe salt and pepper. Huh? Yeah.
Yeah. And I'm gonna add some more of the
From
juice from
this is the bouillon actually, huh?
Yeah.
Bouillon what you make.
Yes. From the shrimps and the vegetables.
It's very good.
Yes.
A lot of colors. Now is the winter, almost New Year. Outside is cold in Belgium. Days are short days, not normally. Now we need some
I'm gonna add some more lime.
some springs or summer to come in our house, huh?
Yes. in the great periods we're living in now.
Yes. En voor rest, schatje, alles oké?
Alles okay, yes. Just gonna let this simmer a little bit, that all the flavors can join together.
Our son sleep, hè. He sleep, hè.
That's good.
Echt waar, hè. Now, we're gonna try. My wife made the dish. Normally, this is our YouTube channel. We opened this together when she was pregnant. Now our son is 6-7 weeks old. 8 almost, yeah. And she gave a wish today to make some pasta with the shrimps. I say, okay. And then we're gonna try to taste this. Think, opala, go back. Oh, this one is paprika, stop. Now we're gonna try. Darling, we're gonna see.
If I can cook or not.
Oh. Our son is also wake up, but pasta tagliatelle with the shrimps. Oh.
Hot.
Natasha,
Yes.
par excellence. Dank u wel.
Yeah, thank you.
Dank u wel. Thanks because you exist. Person to make like you dish like this. Hey, it's really soul food.
Okay, good.
Echt waar.
Glad you like it.
People, that's all for now. This is the dish what my wife made the first time in our videos. If you like this video, subscribe my channel. What to say? I see you next time. Ciao.